Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a product by uploading an image of it on the ASOS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, and then click on this camera icon in the middle, and then you should take a picture of the item that you are looking for. So click on the use photo button down below in the right side, cut your picture, tap on done. And now as you can see, it's loading in, so it's searching for items, and here you can see the results. The style matches are here, as you can see, so feel free to browse among the results which are similar to the item that you have just uploaded a picture of. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.